COVID-19 cases are on the rise again in several states. At the same time, a federal judge has taken action on a federal mask mandate. ABC's Rena Roy explains.
As new COVID cases rise once again coast to coast, a judge in Florida striking down the federal mask mandate on public transportation, which President Biden, along with the CDC, had extended until May 3rd. Now that extension effectively voided for passengers in airports, on planes, and any mode of public transportation, causing confusion for travelers as we await a likely appeal from the Biden administration.
So this is obviously a disappointing decision. The CDC continues recommending wearing a mask in public transit. The Department of Justice would make any determinations about litigation.
This as Philadelphia's indoor mask mandate goes back in effect.
We definitely do not want any type of shutdown, so that's why it's very important for us to stick to the mandates.
People are just generally have had enough of this sort of government overreach.
New infection rates up about 21% in the last week, and 14 states are seeing virus-related hospitalizations rise at least 10%. But hospital admissions overall remain low, creeping up only 2.7% across the country since last week. The latest increase in cases driven by Omicron's subvariant BA2.
The good news on this, on BA2, is that our vaccines are holding up just fine. Especially if you're boosted, you're going to do fine. I don't expect a surge at all like what we saw in January. I think that is extremely unlikely, but we've got to take these things seriously, monitor it closely.
Many activities still going on as normal. Tens of thousands of runners participating in the Boston Marathon, and millions of Americans celebrating the holiday weekend. Officials urging people to get tested after holiday gatherings. Experts say the number of new cases is probably much higher, with most Americans not reporting home test results to officials, and even hospitals and states reporting new infections less consistently. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.